The question is to find the limit. Before we evaluate this limit right here, let us remind that limit as x approaches 0, sine x over x is equal to 1. Right? That's the formula we have to memorize. And one thing we have to know in this formula is that as x approaches 0, sine x approaches 0, and x approaches 0, right? But this formula states that sine x over x approaches 1, right? And also notice that angle right here, which is x, and the expression in the denominator right here, they must be equal to each other, all right? Now, back to this question right here, this limit. That limit is equal to limit as x approaches 0. This is actually sine x, all of this expression squared, right? So sine x squared over 2x, right? And we know that sine x over x approaches 1 as x approaches 0, right? So we can rewrite this limit using the formula sine x over x times sine x over 2, right? As x approaches 0, this expression approaches 1. That's the formula. And again, as x approaches 0, this expression right here, if we substitute 0 for x, that's 0, right? So all of this thing approaches 0. So this is equal to 1 times 0, which is 0, right?